Hi, I'm Ola, this is Dream, and we're here today with Claire, and we're going to be talking baby-led weaning versus puree. So what exactly is baby-led weaning?
So baby-led weaning is where you start weaning offering your baby finger foods. You don't go through any of the pureed or mashed up food stages. You just offer foods pretty much in the same way that you would eat them yourself, but obviously making sure that they're still a safe texture for your baby.
Sounds quite messy.
All of weaning is pretty messy. I think you just have to learn to embrace that mess. It's just a great way when your little one gets stuck in to touching foods and exploring them with all their senses. It helps them learn to be more accepting of food. So unfortunately, you have to embrace that mess. When you decide whether you're going to go down a baby-led weaning route or whether you're going to offer pureed and mashed textures instead, go with what works for you and your baby. Baby-led weaning, some children really take to it. It can help them learn hand-eye coordination, it can help them learn to regulate their appetite, but some babies just struggle a little bit with finger foods at first, and so you might want to go with more of a mix and match approach. So you offer purees to begin with and then progress onto mashed textures. Either way, always offer finger foods from around the age of 6 months, because it really does help offer that hand-eye coordination and development and self-feeding skills. So even if he's not that into feeding himself, offering those finger foods still gives him that opportunity.